Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm having a little play in my art journal, do another little page of mixed media. Now this is just going to be a quick one today, so I thought I'd just have a little play. This is one of my journal cards, so I just love this. So I just wanted a sort of a focal point on my page. And it's sort of like giving me sort of like almost got like the little diamonds. It's almost sort of like Harlequin, isn't it? So I just thought that would look really nice as a focal point. I've just sewed the back, and then I've got a stencil, which is this one here, which is just one that I picked up from AliExpress ages ago. I've just got that in my stash, and I just thought that would look really nice as the background. I've also got some lovely colours here. I've got the tea dye, I've got gathered twigs, and I have got, this one is rusty hinge, and I thought they were sort of like quite nice colours which would match her dress. And then I've got some book paper which I might stick down, and then I've got a couple of these which I've just cut from some of my scrap paper, some little diamonds. They're different sizes because they're not the easiest things to cut out, and I just thought I would just add a few to the page just to give it a little bit more interest, and that's about it really. So I want to colour the background first, so let's pop this to the side, a little bits off. So I've just got some, now I don't think, yes, I've got some water there. Let's pop the tea dye on first. Give it a little bit of a shake. Now I'm going to, I think I might spray today. Let me just get a bit of tissue, because this stuff does absolutely go everywhere when you spray. If it will spray, there we go. Where's the lid? A little bit of, oh, maybe I won't put water. Maybe I'll just spray this one as well first. This is just a darker one, and then I'm going to put some gathered twigs on there as well, not too much because that's quite dark, isn't it? And now a little bit of water, so let's pop that under there. Let's have a little spritz of water. That's better. And then move these bits out of the way. Let's just sort of move this about a bit, just a little bit. Let's have a little bit, a little spray around like that. Take a little bit off. That looks quite nice. Right, I'm just going to quickly dry that. Well, I like that as a background. It's a very simple background, but look at that. Doesn't that work well with it? So I'm going to stick actually a little bit of, just a bit of book paper on there as well. I do like book paper in collage. Now where's my glue? Oh, here we are. I was looking for a different pot. Okay, let's just pop a little bit on there. This down. Just a little bit on here. Lots of glue. Whoops, let's pop the writing up the right way. There we go. So just so that sort of like pokes behind it, doesn't it? Should we have another bit that comes down here? There we go. I'm going to just pop a little bit of this onto here. Dot that on like that. Take my glue out of the way. Tiny bit of the brown. dry that a minute. There we go. She's going to pop down like that. That looks nice, doesn't it? So we need a little bit more on the back. What did I do with my stencil? What colour shall we put in here? You could do with my, I didn't get myself prepared very well, did I? Got the blue oxide. Let's see. I'm going to add just a little bit of a colour. And then I can put those little ones, because this colour actually is in the little triangles, not little triangles, the little diamonds, aren't they? These little ones that I cut out. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, I like that. I'm going to put a little bit more there. Oh, lovely. I do like that. Right, let's pop the lid back on. Pop those out of the way. Now I'm going to stick this on. Should we have it right in the middle, or just a little bit further up? A little bit of matte medium on here. This is a nice liquid one. Pick this up. There we go. Let's see if she's going to stick down nicely. There we go. A bit under here, I think. Once this is dry, it's really hard, it's really good. The matte medium holds it down really, really well. Not quite sure whether she's very straight, is she? But that's okay. I don't mind. A little bit wibbly wobbly is fine. Now I've got these lovely little ones here, which I do like. I just thought they might add another little bit of interest, seeing that they are the same colour. I think I might make a big mess if I ink the edges. I'm going to tip a little bit on the side and just stick these on. Nice big one. Go. This one is different to what I normally do. Look at the different sizes. They're a bit wibbly wobbly, aren't they? Just take them off. Well, I hope you guys are all having a lovely, relaxing Sunday. I managed to get a little bit of crafting in. Let's put this one on there. Another bigger one. Oops. Put that one down there. Let's have some, let's just even it out a little bit, and let's just pop a few over on this side, I think. Not very triangle-y, is it? Diamondy, I mean. Oh, I keep saying triangle. There we go. Okay, I think that's enough on there. I think that looks really nice. Okay, so what shall we do? Shall we do a little bit of course, a little bit of the Stabilo under here. Oops. Just give it a little bit of depth in there. Where's my little pen? Probably could have done with a little bit of the watercolour pencils, would probably have gone well on here actually. Just go in there. Just a little bit of shadow in these little bits here. Okay, so a little bit over the top. Could have had like a saying on this one, would have been quite nice, wouldn't it? Maybe I can put one in afterwards. A little bit in these little ones. Take some of that off, I think. A little bit dark. I must say, I do like this one. There we go. Quite a nice, simple looking one, I think. Let me just stand up. Yes. I think it needs a tiny bit in these bits. Don't want to be too dark, but I want to be able to see that they are little diamonds on here. There we go. Sorry if I don't talk, I'm trying to concentrate, which is not easy. There we go. That looks okay. Shall we have something else? I think we need just a little bit of the white. Just maybe on the tops of these. That looks really nice. I do like that. Shall we have just a tiny, tiny bit of gesso? I think. Let's just, oops. Just to bring out the texture on these little triangles like that. Love it. I do. Now I'm going to go around the edge with, I think it needs the ink pad just to darken the edges up. Oops. Just, I think it just gives it that little edge to it. It's like frames it, doesn't it? Yeah. Perfect. And I'm going to just leave it like that. I think that looks really, really nice. So just a nice quick one. So there we go, guys. That is a nice quick little page, and I think that looks really good. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you soon. All right guys, bye bye.